Oh my gosh, what is all of this? Oh, look at all this extra paper. All these scraps. What can I ever do with it? I got these Easter bunnies. Maybe I could put some of these on the Easter bunnies. Do a little Easter decorating. Okay, so I picked out some scrap pieces that I had of crafting paper for making cards, and I am going to Mod Podge these onto my bunnies. This has 8 peas. I literally just opened this and I have 7 bunnies. So Dollar Tree, you owe me a bunny. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bunnies and put some Mod Podge on here. The only thing is it's going to be kind of difficult. Maybe I should cut this out because I did have pictures on here at one time. So I want to make sure that I don't get those icky parts on there. So I think I'm going to kind of cut this out a little bit so maybe I can get it on there a little bit better. Cut that one a little close there. Because what I'm going to have to do is the color part has to go on there. So, alright, I have my Mod Podge out. And then I'm going to do the bunnies. I think I'm going to do them all going one way. I don't know why. I just feel like if I did them the other way, they'd be like backwards. Is that weird? I don't know. Well, I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to stick some Mod Podge on my bunnies. These are very thin, but I bought these last year and I hadn't used them yet. And I was trying to think of something that I could use them for. And I thought, why not just put some paper on them and then just kind of scatter them around the house. So I'm going to stick that on there, and then I'm going to try to get this on here. I think that will be good. I just want to make sure I don't get any of this weird stuff on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get that all done. I'm going to get all my bunnies with the paper on top of them. Okay, I have all my paper on my bunnies. Now, I was going to use my X-Acto knife to cut this, but my husband came and took it from me. So I don't have it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use the sandpaper. See how this goes. Wow, that's so loud. There's so many little grooves and stuff in there. But I have a very coarse sandpaper that I just bought. So maybe it'll work, maybe it won't work. Looks like it's working pretty decent. I think it would probably be a little easier if I had my X-Acto knife. But I'm going to go ahead and I have all 7 of these bunnies to do. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Okay, my bunnies are all done, and now what I decided to do is on 5 of them, I am going to take and put my grandkids' names on there. And yes, if you're looking right now, I do have 5 of them. So I'm going to set these aside for right now because I'm going to leave 2 blank ones. I can still put them up, but just in case, you never know, there might be another grandkid down the line. So I'm just gonna hold on to those 2, and I cut the names out on my Cricut, but obviously, I mean, if you don't have a Cricut, you could just go to Dollar Tree and grab some letters from there, and you could just use that. Well, I guess that's staying on there. So I am putting their names on. I know it's kind of hard to see the silver in this light, but I didn't really want to use black because I just didn't think black was gonna look good on these bunnies. I thought it would be just too much, so that's why I decided to go with the silver. So I got the two girls almost done. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the boys' names on them. Okay, so I went and I grabbed a cotton ball, and what I did was I just tore pieces of the cotton ball off, and now I just kind of tried to form them into tails, and I'm just gonna put some hot glue on them and just stick them where the tail goes on here. I just tried to shape them the best that I could. They're not perfect, but I think that just adds a cute little touch to them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my little cotton ball tails on all of these. Okay, I have all my little fluffy tails on. Then for the two girls, I am actually just gonna put a little bow up by the ears here. I'm not gonna do anything with the boy ones. Thought about trying to put like a little bow tie around here, but there's just not enough room on there. So just gonna put a little ribbon on there. Oops, oh, stuck to my finger. Okay, and then the last thing that I am going to do is I'm going to take some of these craft blocks that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make these so they stand up. So just going to stick a little bit of glue on here, pop it on there, and then I want them going back a little bit, so I just kind of pushed it back a little bit so it's not quite straight, not right quite to the end, but just so that it'll sit nice and it won't fall forward. So I put the hot glue on, stick the block on there, and then I stand it up, position it where I want it to, and then push it on. So I get it to stand just the way I want it to. Okay, and they are all finished. I think they turned out really cute. Okay, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I think this one was actually pretty easy, and I actually used a lot of scraps while I was making this project with my vinyl and with my craft paper. So again, thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified when I upload, and take care. Thank you. Bye.